For some, buying a 2-up sled can be like suggesting buying a minivan. But if you've got kids or a significant other who like to come along for a ride occasionally, you might need to trade the cool sled in. Said no guy ever. Or buy a 2-up seat kit, but most of the 2-up seat options either leave behind ugly mounting brackets or require a complete new seat and structure that makes the upgrade significantly costly, but thankfully, there are options. Kimpex makes a product called the SeatJack that mounts to just about any new sled. It doesn't leave behind any ugly bracketry, and it's also very reasonably priced. Using sled-specific mounting kits, the SeatJack leaves behind only 2 small round mounts, both front and rear, about the size of a nickel on the tunnel. They're minimal and don't distract from your cool ride. In today's case, a brand new Axis XCR switchback, a sled most folks wouldn't think about being 2-up capable. The SeatJack is rated for up to 225 pounds and can be spec'd out with optional features just like 2-up sleds. From optional RCA outputs for a heated shield to the adjustable lumbar support and the 3-stage adjustable height hand grips with built-in wind deflectors as well as heated grips, the SeatJack has it all and has been ergonomically designed with the passenger in mind, yet allows your cool 1-up sled to stay, well, still cool on the days you're not riding 2-up. And because of its easy-to-install design, you can literally remove it in seconds. While we're talking about seats, the stock seat material from most manufacturers can be, well, a little bit slippery, and it might cause you to move around a little bit more than you'd like to when you add in some snow dust. From my snowcross days, I really appreciate a good grippy seat material, and the Skinz Protective Gear non-skid seat cover is available for all brands. Installation requires a good stapler, some alignment, and stretching of material to ensure a tight fit. The finished product looks great, but more importantly, it's going to keep your hind end planted precisely where you want it, corner after corner, bump after bump. And when I'm riding with the crew racking on miles, it's nice to know that they're actually keeping up behind me. The Universal Fit F1 mirrors from Kimpex are sleek and stylish. They have a superbike look to them, and while past big bulky mirrors were nothing I'd put on my sled, having a pair of F1s really helps me to keep an eye on the rest of the group. They install easily, are shock resistant, and they have an adjustable base to get the right angle every time. I love upgrading stuff. Doesn't really matter what it is, but when I upgrade, I want to add functionality. And I feel like I've done just that today, while at the same time keeping your cool sled still cool. If you enjoyed the video that you just watched, like it, and then subscribe to our page for more great content from SnowTrax TV.